Hey,
Good day, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Rasa Saludar.
How old are
I'm
you?
34 years old.
Where are you from?
I came from Tansa Crossing, Bato, Panay, Capiz, Philippines.
Are you single or
I'm
married?
married.
How many kids do you
I
have?
have 3 kids.
How old are they?
11 years old, 15 years old, and 5 years old.
What position are you applying
My
for?
position applied for domestic helper
What country?
in Hong Kong.
What is your educational background?
I'm high school graduate.
What is your working experience before?
My work, my experience abroad in Kuwait for 2014 and 2017.
What is your main duties and
My duties
responsibilities?
and responsibilities, I do clean the house, cooking, take clothes, washing clothes, and take care of baby.
How do you take good care of a newborn baby?
I take care of baby, giving them milk, check the diaper, take a bath, and play with them.
Can you take care of children?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you take good care of a
I
children?
take care of children by giving food, preparing the school uniform,
Are you afraid of dogs?
no ma'am,
How about cats?
no ma'am,
Can you take care of pets?
yes ma'am.
How do you take good care of pets?
I take care by giving foods, give water, and take a bath.
Do you know how to wash car?
Yes ma'am,
How?
by putting shampoo and wiping.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to support my family and financial, especially for the future of my children.
What is your message to your future
For
employer?
my future employer, ma'am and sir, if you hire me, I can promise I will do it, all my duties and responsibilities for your family. I'm hardworking, honest, God-fearing. Thank you.